Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get the iPhone style action button on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if you ever seen the new iPhone's action button and thought, I wish Samsung had that, well, it does. So here, this is my iPhone 17 Pro Max. And as you can see, this is the action button just here, the top left. And when I go ahead and press this will basically mute and unmute my volume. So on your Samsung Galaxy device, using Register, a module in Samsung's Good Lock app, you can transform your side key or even your phone's back tap gesture into action button. So here you can go ahead and assign it almost anything. You can launch camera instantly, toggle the flashlight, open your favorite app, trigger routines, take screenshots, or even run Bixby commands. So here we'll do something similar to what the iPhone does on my iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is mute and unmute the volume. On your Samsung Galaxy device, if you go ahead and do this, you need to go ahead and bring the quick panel menu. And from here, you'll be able to basically control your volume. So that basically brings it to mute, volume up, vibrate only, or this is completely no sound. Another way of doing is bringing the volume control out here and then going ahead and choosing your volume. So let me show you how you can basically set the iPhone style action button on your Samsung Galaxy device. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find Register. Now here, you want to go ahead and tap on side key press and hold action. So I've already switched it on. So here I'll basically set it to take a screenshot. So here we'll go ahead and set it to mute and unmute all volumes. This is something what I have done on my iPhone. So now we press home, and now to use it, just go ahead and hold your side button here. It's muted. It's unmuted. So this gives you ultimate control over your phone. So instead of digging through menus or swiping around, you can trigger your most used feature in one quick press. It makes your phone feel faster, smarter, and much more personal, exactly how a flagship should feel. So there you go, guys. That is how to get the iPhone style action button on your Samsung Galaxy device.